why is Shingon Buddhism called esoteric Buddhism, by the way? So what is so exoteric or secret about it?
So secret, this word comes from the aspect the teaching is supposed to pass the generation by speaking. So this is especially recently, actually from the beginning, even modernly, we continue to do that. So we receive the teaching, especially how to have a mudras, how to pronounce the sutra and the mantras. We received those from the master by speaking. So people cannot understand it, even people read it, even people hear that. So that's the aspect they bring the word secret. So, but the meaning is, I would say, it is a things not ordinarily understood. So very difficult to understood. So that's the things why people call esoteric. So Dainichi Nyorai is everywhere, but we cannot receive the deities, the message, because our consciousness usually have three poisons. The things makes people bad. Hatred, greed, ignorance. These three are we call three poisons. So our blessing service, the spiritual deities that help us, they're taking off these three poisons from our consciousness. So the Buddhism practice provide a strong approach that take it off these three poisons and then purify your consciousness and become a Buddha. So so Shingon and the mantras is a very great things as a part of the speaking practice. And this is a very easy to imagine when you have a bad speaking in the public, maybe bad things would happen to you. So you can imagine that.